Hello everyone and welcome back. So on this video, I tried to upload this long version of putting my better bench in and curdying it, but for some reason I just can't get it to upload. So I did a short form of it, and see that right there? That's called a better bench. It's a seat. And there was a change. There's supposed to be a header on the back of that wall, but they can't tear it out because there's all foam insulation in there. So I came up with a different plan. So this is 2-inch curdy board. I cut it up to make the match of the width. And usually your bench from the top to the bottom, you discuss that with the owner. So we're a little over 18 inches here. And you see these benches, they extend to 4 feet, 3, 2 to 4. And you see how I pre-drilled and put bolts and everything. I found the studs on the side wall and the back wall. And those 2 brackets are very important because that's what holds everything in. And the bolts and nuts. So just, if you ever come to something like this, then you kind of know what you have to do. But I will in the future do a short form. So yeah, it's very rare I do these better benches anymore, but back in the day I used to do a lot of them. But I might get maybe 1 or 2 every 2 years or something like that. So this is my 4-to-1 mix, and what I'm doing is just stuffing everything in there. You can actually sit, jump on top of that, and it's in there good. So there usually is a bracket that you put underneath, but like I said, there's no header and we can't do it that way. And they actually like this a lot better without the bracket because everything would be out of square. Anyways, guys, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.